Mansory, the renowned supercar tuner, has officially unveiled its radical take on Ferrari's latest V12 coupe, the 12 Cilindri. Renamed the Mansory Equestre, this creation is the world's first fully modified version of the naturally aspirated supercar. Debuted at the Monaco Yacht Show 2025, the Equestre features a dramatic overhaul of its exterior styling, interior finishings, and a significant boost in performance, turning the elegant 12 Cilindri into an even wilder machine. Visually, Mansory doubles down with a comprehensive body kit, featuring a carbon fiber hood, dyed-through forged carbon panels on the front bumper, the front fenders, mirrors, the pillars, and the rear diffuser, which are all part of the redesigned aero package. It serves as a contrast against the purple paint that fades into black shade at the rear. Additionally, you also get gold highlights on the diffuser and on the brake calipers. You also see this finish on the black panel on the front fascia, a hallmark of most new Ferrari models, as seen on the SF90 successor, the 849 Testarossa last week. The finishing touch, the Italian tricolor runs down the center, along the entire length of the vehicle. The wheels are a new VF.5 design in forged aluminum and a gloss black finish, providing an aggressive stance. Engineered to reduce unsprung weight. It is a detail you notice immediately, and one that sets this build apart from the factory car. Step inside, and the purple theme continues, with everything from the steering to the seats featuring the vibrant color, and gray serving as the main contrasting shade. Also, in typical Mansory style, the cabin has been red-rimmed with bespoke materials, including Alcantara on the headliner and a heavy dose of exposed carbon fiber throughout. Every element is customizable to match your yacht or private jet if you want total continuity across your lifestyle. Underneath its aggressive new skin, the Mansory Equestre gains a significant power boost. The standard 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine of the 12 Cilindri originally produces 819 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. Thanks to a new sports exhaust system and engine tuning, the Equestre now churns out an even more visceral 843 horsepower and 543 lb-ft of torque. While Mansory has not disclosed the price for this Equestre conversion, available for both coupe and spider versions of the 12 Cilindri, it's safe to assume it will add a hefty sum to the base car's already $500,000 price tag. Considering the extensive modifications and its debut in Monaco, another six figures can be expected, perhaps even more for unique finishes like the ombre paint.